Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete quote tweet post on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app, then tap on Profile that is on the left top corner of your screen. Now tap on Profile. Once you're on your profile, tap on Tweets and Replies. There you will see the quote tweet post. Tap on 3 vertical dot and tap on Delete Tweet. A pop-up will appear, tap on Delete. So that is how you delete quote tweet post on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.